Good evening everybody, this is Anirudh and I welcome you everyone to देख रहे हो सर द मोस्ट कम्प्रिहेंसिव प्रिपरेशन ऐप दैट इज अ वाइज एग्जाम प्रेप. तो ऐप के डायरेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म में वी आर हियर. So the app interface has completely changed and people are now not able to access the classes. A lot of complaints are coming. So how to overcome that things actually and how to get access to the all my classes, those things I'm going to discuss in this small video. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and in case you are new to my channel, do hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, तो पहले आप देखते थे those people who haven't yet updated their apps, डेफिनेटली आप देखते थे सर यहाँ पे इस तरीके से पूरा क्लास का लिंक आता था दैट टूडेज क्लास इज दिस इज द रिसेंट क्लास, दिस द अपकमिंग क्लास एंड स्टफ्स. हियर नथिंग इज बीइंग शोन. Practice session, if you can see over here, this is the practice session, this is the engineering topics, only these two things are here. So if you are suppose going to the practice sessions, okay, suppose, okay, तो you are seeing some कि कोई पुराना क्लास है, मेरा भी 28 अक्टूबर के क्लास रखा हुआ है and some other things, okay. Engineering topics, if you are talking about actually engineering topics, if you are going for this engineering topics, then also you can see कुछ 28 अक्टूबर 29 अक्टूबर कब का पता नहीं कुछ क्लास लगा के रखे. ओके, नाउ सर also some study notes are given. Earlier, quizzes and stuffs were there also. So general aptitude, fluid mechanics, design of concrete structure, okay. And also one second please, ये क्या हो रहा है? Yeah, so your strength of materials, these subjects are only given as if no other subjects exist in civil engineering. Okay, fine. Okay, so these things are given, so nothing is going to be available anymore free of cost. That is the main point to be noted over here. Very few quantities are given over free of cost. But if you join online classroom program, you are going to get some really exciting new things. That is Gate Learning tablet. You are getting a complete tablet, live classroom sessions, previous year questions, previous year books, workbooks, okay. And also Gate Learning tablet, you can see it over here. And regular quizzes, doubt resolution. Talk to our counselor, there is a new option. How to overcome these things already I will know. I will let you know, don't worry. Acha, if you talk about this practice in the bottom here, if you are actually tapping, okay, just one second please. Okay, now basically you are seeing that these are some of the mock tests which you can obviously appear for. Gate C mock tests, the mock tests thing, actually these are the quizzes which is still available over here for a quick practice. You can have the quizzes still here in this practice session. Earlier in this practice session you used to get the live classes which you are not getting right now. The last free live class is the Gate mock test that I have taken, but it is still not available. How to access that I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, after that if you go to the premium at the right hand corner, okay, so you are going to get the courses, basically that which courses are over here, okay, and what are the things that you are going to get over here, and reviews of some of the rankers which is over here. So no free classes are available, and those may not be available also afterwards from November. I really am not sure. Still now today is the last mock test that I have taken for free. How to access that? I have told you earlier, if you recall, that please do follow me on the app. What is the reason for that? The reason is actually if you go to this particular 3 dots, 3 bars, actually 3 lines. If you go and tap over here, this is suppose my profile, the Civil Guruji. Okay, this is my profile for this channel. I'm going here. Okay, I'm tapping on my profile. Just where did I tap? Just your profile which is written. यहाँ पे ऐसे करके दिया हुआ है, right? यहाँ पे सर tap करो आप. Okay, and you will see over here one following. Okay, I follow one person. Let's see कि आप उनको पहचानते हो कि नहीं. Oh my god, it's Aniruddha Roy. Okay, fine. So just tap on Aniruddha Roy. Here actually you can see all my classes because I had already followed him. Okay, in case I did not follow तो मुझे नहीं मिलेगा. Look, the mock test that I had just now taken, Gate C 2022 mock test, it is over here. I don't know how long it's going to stay. Let's just tap on it and check if it is available or not. Yeah, it's actually running, I guess. Yeah, it is running. It is running, right? Okay, so I don't know for how long it will run. Many times it just gets stuck also after being live. So at least till the point it is live. So you can get access to some of my earlier free classes also. You can see everything over here, but you will get access to those free classes only if you follow me. If you don't follow me, you don't have any option to access to my free classes on the updated version of the app. Those people who already followed me, then to fine, no problem. Those people who did not follow me, I will share with you people the follow link to my profile in the Telegram channel, in my Telegram channel and Telegram group, where from you can access to all my classes, free classes, whichever is still now available, and try to attend it, or attend those free classes, especially the recent ones, as quickly as possible, because I don't know how long these are going to be available later. Okay, so that's the information I just wanted to give to you people. Okay, so bye bye, take care. Thank you everybody for being here, and do subscribe to my channel for daily such GATE and ESE prelims related and all other competitive exam related videos and stuffs. And also do give a like and drop a heart in the comment section if you like the video. Take care guys. Thank you. This is the problem and solution video for you people. Bye.